The plow pose, also known as Halasana, is a challenging yoga posture that involves folding your body into a shape resembling a plow. This particular variation requires you to hold onto your feet, adding an extra element of balance and flexibility to the pose. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to perform the plow pose while holding your feet.
Plow pose, holding the feet. Slowly bring your legs back. Then, hold your big toes. Observing your breath. Stretch your back. Breathe and relax. Connect with your body. Slowly come out of the pose and finish.